Hello all, I'm Dr. Rajsree. I hope you all are doing well and are in the best of your health. The essential points for a hair transplantation are: hair transplantation is a minimally invasive procedure where hair follicular unit grafts are harvested from the donor area and implanted onto the recipient area. On an average, a healthy donor area, which is usually the back of your scalp, will have up to 7,000 to 8,000 grafts, which can be harvested in a couple of sessions. Body hair transplant can be considered in people with insufficient donor area on the back of the head. Among FUE methods, sapphire micro-FUE is the most modern way to perform a hair transplant. In addition, gold-tipped punches, graft freezing system, and sapphire stone implanting are also used these days. Post-care management includes application of topical solution like minoxidil, oral supplementation using multivitamins, and retention treatment like PRP or GFC. Your scalp hair are your own donor and no one else. Depth, direction, density, and optimum sustainability are achieved with the right tools, right technique, and the right clinic. Visit Max Hair Clinic.